Hi, I'm Lori Ingram. Here at GW, we're very fortunate to have incredible opportunities for our students in the professional psychology program. We're fortunate to have a clinic right here in the building with our classrooms and with our faculty offices so that students have the opportunity to work with a professor when any questions come up.
One of the things that I really love about this program is that we're getting hands-on experience working with patients. So while I'm earning my degree, I'm also actually working with people and able to apply a lot of what I'm learning to real-life cases.
We encourage our students to take what they learn in the classroom and apply it in the real world, and they have the opportunity to do that here in our clinic. Not just in our clinic, but in multiple settings around the city where our students are bringing human services and psychological benefit to many different people in many different settings.